guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're stopping by for the first time, welcome. My name is Laifa, and for today's video I wanted to do a pamper day with me vlog. Could I say pamper day? I don't know, but I just woke up today and I was in a good mood and I said today I'm going to do my nails, so let's do this. I wanted to do the video vlog style, you know, get ready with me. So this is the nails I ordered. This is the package it came in from GIG Logistics. It actually came quite quickly. It came in a few days. So I'm in Asaba, I'm not even in Lagos, and it was really quick getting here. Ooh, guys, look at the cute packaging it came in. So it came with this what's it called, description on how to apply, nail prep, how to remove. It's basically how to use the product. So before I ordered the nails, she gave me this sample kit, sample sizing kit, that's what it's called. So depending on the style, if you want it, where is it called, regular almond, that's the shape. So this sample size kit is for regular almond. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, this is the sample sizing kit for this type. Then this one is for regular coffin. So this is the shape of regular coffin. I use this kit, this sampling size kit, to check every single nail on both hands. And then I gave her the numbers for each nail and sent it to her. So that's what she used to get my sizes and sent them to me. But she said even if I didn't find my size on here, they could have it custom made to fit me. But luckily for me, my sizes were on here. The name of the brand is Nailed to Go. They are Nigerian based, but they actually ship internationally. And the nails are handmade. This is my first time trying out kind of nails, and I've just really been wanting to fix my nails. And because we're indoors, I can't, so I really wanted to try these press-on nails. And the girl is really sweet. So the press-on nails are actually handmade. I always wondered how they do it. I asked her and she said they're actually handmade. So the fact that they are handmade, and I can imagine that it will take some time to make, it actually got to me in good time. Alright guys, so this is the packaging in which it came in, and you guys see how gorgeous they look. Like, they look so freaking amazing. The nude set is called Uppity, and there are different lengths and different prices for different lengths. So this nude set, I ordered the long length, and this long one is 12,620. I'll put the equivalent in dollars, in US dollars. Then if you want regular size, that's regular length, is 11,844.7 cents. When I see people prices like this, I'm like, what's that extra point something? Just make it the whole number. Then the red set is called Azalea set. So the regular length is 9,525 and the long length is 11,497. So for the fact that these things are reusable, I think that's a good price. So it also came with a note that says, "Hello Laifa, hope you are doing well. Stay safe please, and hope these nails put a smile on your face. XOXO SA." Thank you. Guys, so I decided to make this video interesting. Coincidentally, we checked the size of nails with Anita and it fits. So she's going to be fixing the Azalea set, even though she's trying to bully me to allow her fix the one that I want to fix. Something that is my own.
Can I talk? Sandra doesn't talk now. But Sandra, you don't like long nails. I remember last time I made long nails, you're like,
I chose this one.
Sandra, bless me, you'll not be able to use it.
I'll be able to use it. So in case I didn't mention, this is my baby sister.
Hey guys.
The last born,
Also
Anita.
YouTuber.
Yes, so also YouTuber. So this, I'm going to leave her YouTube details.
Subscribe to your girl's channel.
Alright, let's get this party started. Anti-vein child. So according to the application notes that was in the package, the first step is to nail prep. So we already washed our hands I know you look at me.
Because I have not washed your own. Go and wash your hands.
I'll see. So, alright, so after washing our hands, the next step is to open the alcohol. So the alcohol are these things in here. So I'm going to take one and give Anita one. We were supposed to use this to wipe our natural nails. So let's do that.
Mama's here. I wrote a lullaby for you.
Alright, so after doing that, we're supposed to take this wooden wood stick. They actually called it wood stick. So there are two because the set I bought was two. So Anita will take one, I'll take one. So we're supposed to use this end, the end that looks like this, to push back the cuticle.
Wasted. Loving all the nights I spent wondering why we couldn't be.
We are done with that step. The next step is to take our buffer. We're twinning. The buffer is so small and cute. So cute. So we're going to take the buffer and start buffing our nails.
But maybe, baby, when it settles in that you're to blame, we could move on, pick up where we went wrong, baby.
Alright, so we're done buffing. So the next step is to take the second alcohol cotton pad, and clean. Alright guys, so the next thing is to use these adhesive tabs. So we're going to start by taking out the nails, then you peel off the adhesive tab.
Was here, 'cause maybe in time you'll see, maybe I can be all you need, yeah.
Then use the back of the tweezers to flatten it. Guys, so this is our first time wearing press-ons like we said before. So we're making some mistakes, but we're learning as we go. So you have to be really careful when you're taking out the adhesive tabs. Otherwise, you take out the top parts, and you will not take out the area that you're going to use to go on the nails.
That was my first mistake, guys.
So now we're going to start applying them one by one. So all we literally need to do is take off the first part, take off the upper part and leave only the blue part, then press it onto our nails, hold it down for 5 seconds.
And now your damaged goods, damage should have never been. Thought you were bulletproof, look at you, what happened? Did she hurt you? Are you okay, baby? Everyone gets hurt, that's how we learn to make.
Guys, let it be known that I finished first. Rita is still struggling.
Yeah,
See the way she's struggling. Oh, but I'm the one that put glue for both of us.
Sandra did something and she knows.
Board in the house, board in the house, board. God, I'm obsessed with these nails. It is clap because it's not long enough.
No, Sandra says like this.
It's not like that.
No, you have to. God.
Like this now. But see, it's making us like this.
It's meant to like two, like. Yeah. Period.
Alright guys, so we are done. I'm so in love with the outcome of these nails.
Yeah.
It was actually pretty easy, just that it was our first time. That's why I feel like I'm going to stop fixing my nails now that I've discovered press-ons, because really, that how many hours I'll sit down in the salon and then to remove it is also a struggle. I feel like it's just easier.
Yeah.
So we'll see, Sha. I want to do a wear test, like we'll wear it for a couple of days to find out how long it will last, and we'll come back and let you guys know.
Period.
In this period, I'll be hungry to with your nails. This main child. Hi guys. So I'm currently editing this video, and I'm actually done, but because I want the video to go up today being Sunday, and I don't understand how it happened. I don't know what's going on these days. I keep losing footages of my work and it's driving me crazy. I don't even know what is happening exactly. Honestly, I had mine on for only like 3 days because, like Anita said, it was really long. I'm not even going to lie to you. I should have just ordered regular length because I'm not used to wearing such long length, but I wanted to try something different. That's why I ordered the long one. But Anta has on for like 5 days. I mean, how many days? I need to say right now. A week.
Yeah.
It's not up to a week.
I had mine on for a week.
It's not up to a week.
I had, but then I had to film a video and I can't make up.
You can't make up with news. I don't understand. After making noise. No, like, you like long nails.
It's not just as fine as I would want it to be. Like, I used to get my fingers, like, you guys get what I mean, Sha. But guys, Sandra could not use her nails, and I told you guys, like, she couldn't use it. She was just embarrassed. Like,
I'm not even going to lie to you, but it was actually pretty easy to take off. I literally just soaked my hand in warm water for
and
like.
I didn't get injuries, guys.
Yeah,
it was just so.
Yeah,
The feeling was so
take
nice.
off. Use your channel, oh. This video is for you. Just take and go, carry go.
So you guys, I'm just gonna let my sister finish up. Bye, guys.
My sisters, I didn't even know you and Dobra. I don't know who's worse. But yeah, we just took them off and put it back in the case that it came in. So, like we said before, it's reusable. So I just put it back here for the next time I want to wear it. But taking them off, I had to soak them for like almost an hour. It was almost an hour, because in the manual it said like 20 minutes, but it was actually almost an hour. I was watching a movie, so I just soaked my hand in the hot water and just left it, and it came off by itself. Yeah, so I would definitely recommend the nails, and I'm going to leave all the details in my description box below. So if you watched to the end of this video, I don't know, this wasn't planned, but I just thought about it and I was like, let me just do something nice for one person. At least it's the least I could do. So I'm going to pick a winner, just one winner, in the comment section below randomly. I might not even be the one to pick it. I'll just tell someone to help me pick. That's usually what I do when I do giveaways. So I'm not biased or anything. So I will randomly pick one person in my comment section, and then you get to pick the nail that you'd like, and then I will buy it for you, just to put a little smile on someone's face. That will make me feel good. So yeah, so get ready for my next video. My next video is going to be a makeup tutorial featuring Momsy. So Wednesday, I'll see you guys in my next video. Please like, comment and subscribe. I love you guys. Bye.